A man named Fernando was working at a railway train station when he decides to record a video to send to his family. They were working during the late hours of the night when they see this. In the video, as he's walking by the side of the train, he doesn't notice, but what looks like a pale, shadowy figure can be seen watching him. Fernando begins to walk faster towards the group, as if he's trying to keep calm after witnessing the figure. If the train wasn't operating at the time, just who or what was that?